Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my February BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is the regular tier of BOXYCHARM. I don't have premium to share with you guys this month, so this is the $25 box. If you guys want to see what I got this month, then just keep on watching. If you guys don't know, BOXYCHARM is my favorite makeup subscription box. It is a $25 service if you get the regular box. It's $35 if you get the premium. And then they do have a quarterly upgrade where you can pay $49.99 and get Boxyluxe. I love all three tiers, but honestly, I think premium is my favorite so far. But let's get into it. I did peek into this box so that I knew if I could do any try-ons for you guys. And unfortunately, there is only one makeup item in here. So I am unable to do that, but I'll show you guys why and we will get into what's in here. So the theme for February is adore, and we always get the sheet with the values and the names of the products on here. So on the sheet it says that March is going to be the next Boxyluxe, and you can get over $275 value for $49.99, and they're showing brands like Tarte, PMD, and NARS. I definitely think that Luxe and Premium are very much worth it, and BOXYCHARM is worth it too. I just am a little bit disappointed that there's not a lot that I can actually try on for you guys today. But nevertheless, I love skincare, and I'm even more into skincare lately than I am makeup, and there is some skincare in here. So first there is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are $16. These are for exfoliating, toning, and brightening. I'm a huge fan of First Aid Beauty. I just went through a cleanser of theirs that I used literally every single day. It's a really good brand for all skin types. So this says it's a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Next up, we have a makeup wipe. This is the EVO Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. This retails for $10. These are biodegradable multitasking wipes that are made with hemp fibers to cleanse the skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep the skin hydrating. And they're also antibacterial. So I can't lie, I'm not like a massive fan of makeup wipes in general. I prefer to go in with like a double cleanse. I really get satisfaction out of deeply cleaning my skin. So makeup wipes for me are like an emergency type of thing. I will travel with them or have them on my bedside for like days where I literally don't have an ounce of energy to wash my face, but I will attempt to give them a go. I will put them in my bedside stand and see if I get my use out of them. Next, we have a brush set from Alamar Cosmetics, and these feel really heavy, by the way. But this is a Complexion brush trio. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and it comes with a complexion brush, a bronzer brush, and a brightening brush. This retails for $36. Alamar Cosmetics does impress me. Every time I get it in the box, I'm happy with it. So I think it's cool that they're doing brushes. So here's what they look like. They do feel nice and heavy. They have that really pretty kind of rose gold coppery handle. And this brush in the middle specifically looks really interesting. Like it looks like it has ridges on the top of it. I could definitely see myself using the brightening brush for under eye powder. This weird brush says it's for bronzer, so I will definitely try it for that. And then the other one is the Complexion brush. I would use this probably for bronzer or for blush. So the next product is the only makeup product, and you guys will see why I really don't think I can demo this for you. This is the Ciate London Everyday Vaycay Coconut Setting Powder. It retails for $22, and my little coconut loving heart is exploding right now because if this smells like coconut, it's over for all the other setting powders. Like, I don't even care. Like, I love coconut. Anything with a nice, refreshing, like summer scent, like the Physicians Formula butter products, I just die over. I love using them. I will continuously dip into them because of their smell. Here's the packaging, really nice, chic packaging. Ciate London always has cute packaging. I'm like about to breathe this in to see if it smells like coconut. It does smell like coconut. So on my hands, it feels like a really soft, fine powder, and it does smell like coconut, which I appreciate. It says, lock in your makeup for a long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vaycay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to the beach vacay every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft, focused finish with no flashback. So no flashback tells me that there's probably no SPF in here. I will definitely get my use out of this, especially because it has the coconut scent ingredients. So that's probably the most exciting item out of the box for me personally, because I love makeup for one thing. I definitely like it better when there's more makeup in the box, but I just love trying new things, and I'm a sucker for a good coconut product. Next up in the box, we have the Somerville KX Active Concentrates Bio Mimicking Peptides Serum. That's a mouthful. The only peptide serum that I've tried is from Ultra Cosmetics, and I have absolutely loved it. It's like magic in there. But this is a $98 product, very expensive. It says it's specifically formulated with an active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin. After just 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. I don't have a massive issue with my skin feeling or looking tight, I don't think, but maybe I will pass this off to one of my older relatives. I personally appreciate when the box caters to different ages, different skin tones, different skin types, so I'm not mad that this is in here. It's just not necessarily something that I need in my skincare routine. It doesn't have a harsh smell. I don't know why, it kind of smells like Play-Doh to me. I think I'm going to see if my mom wants to try this, just because I don't really know if I need that in my skincare routine right now. It's something I'm trying to figure out, is like what is the best ingredients and what are the best type of products for me to use. I've been following a lot of skincare YouTubers recently to try to kind of learn more about the ingredients in my skincare, but nevertheless, I could see why this would be very exciting to a lot of people. Alright, so that was everything out of my February BoxyCharm. This box added up to a value of $182. So for $25, you are getting an insane value for your money. I do wish that I got the premium box. As an influencer, I can't control what box gets sent to me every month. It's always kind of different, but I did see that in the premium box, I think there was an Hourglass ambient lighting blush, which I'm obsessed with. I actually have a broken one that I need to let go of, and I kind of really wish I got that box because maybe the color that I love would be in there. But either way, I did like this box for the most part. It was mainly skincare based, which is okay. I am getting more into skincare, but I am a little disappointed that there wasn't more makeup in the box. But I don't think I have anything else to say. I'm going to leave the information down below if you guys want to check out BoxyCharm and check out the different tiers, see if it's something that you would be interested in. But thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. If you like these videos, please give this video a thumbs up for me, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.